underneath all this melted cheese is one of the easiest pizza-style recipes you can make at home. Start by heating a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 chopped medium onion, and about a teaspoon of salt. Then cook it until the onion softens and becomes slightly golden. Next, add 200 grams of chorizo sausage with the casing removed and cook everything together. Once the chorizo is fully cooked, pour in 350 grams of tomato sauce. If you want, you can add some basil to your sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the sauce reduces slightly and becomes rich and thick. In a large bowl, crack in 3 eggs and add a teaspoon of salt. Pour in 250 milliliters of milk. Then add 300 grams of flour and 15 grams of baking powder. Whisk everything together until the ingredients are combined. Next, add a tablespoon of dried oregano, 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, and 150 milliliters of water. Give it one final mix until the batter becomes smooth, creamy, and completely lump-free. Line your oven tray with parchment paper, then pour in the batter we just made. Use a spatula to spread it into an even layer across the tray. Next, spoon over the onion and chorizo mixture, trying to distribute it as evenly as possible. Then, add the rest of the toppings. I'm using diced bell pepper, olives, pepperoni, and finally about 300 grams of shredded mozzarella. But just like any pizza, you can customize this however you like. You can even skip the onion and chorizo mixture completely and simply use your favorite tomato sauce and toppings. Once everything is assembled, bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. And if your oven has top heat or grill mode, turn it on to give the cheese that beautiful golden brown finish. And here's the final result. A soft, fluffy base, rich tomato and chorizo topping, and perfectly golden melted cheese. This recipe is simple, customizable, and perfect for a movie night. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next recipe.